An essay is like a salad. IELTS Writing Task 2 is always a short essay. But what is an essay exactly? Before we try to answer that question, let's return to our cooking analogy. Let's talk about salads. We all know a salad when we see one. But can you define a salad? Dictionary.com gives the following definition. A usually cold dish consisting of vegetables such as lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers, covered with a dressing and sometimes containing seafood, meat, or eggs. So a salad is usually a cold dish, but not always. Sometimes it is warm. A salad usually has vegetables such as lettuce, tomato, and cucumbers, but some salads have none of these ingredients. And does a salad always require a dressing? The point I'm trying to make here is that everyone has a different idea of what a salad is. And while most people can easily make an average salad, we need the knowledge and skills to make an awesome one. In the same way, there is no universal definition of an essay, although we all know an essay when we see one. And while it is relatively easy to score a band 5 or 6 in IELTS writing, a band 7 requires real skill. In this course, I will teach you my personal recipe for a great essay, including an in-depth analysis of the ingredients. Remember, the recipe I give you is just one type of essay. Your goal is to learn as much as you can from this recipe so that you can skillfully write different kinds of essays with different topics, independently and within the time limit. What I've been trying to say here is that writing is an art, although many people don't realize it. Writing a fine essay, like cooking a fine dish, involves the best quality ingredients and a good sense of timing. But how do we know if our essay is truly great? Like wine tasters, we need to develop our ability to notice complex and subtle features of the essay. This takes time and effort. To know whether an essay is great, we need to understand the IELTS writing descriptors, which I will talk about in the next section. There are a few different types of essay that you could get in the IELTS writing exam, including advantages and disadvantages, for and against, argument, problems and solutions, causes and solutions, or any combination of the above. In this course, we're going to focus on one particular essay type, and that is the for and against essay. I chose this essay type because it seems to be one of the most common essay types that people come across in the test. We're also going to make sure that an opinion is clearly argued. Now, although we're focusing on one particular type of essay, all the skills and knowledge that we cover in this course are going to be relevant to the other essay types as well.